Now what we'll do, instead of SAP standard logo, we'll add our own logo and we'll display that here. For that, go to transaction code OAER. Okay, the class name pictures, class type OT, and here your logo name like ZK ALV. Okay, let's say ZK ALV logo. Okay, execute. So you can see the by default here pictures. Expand this. Here, double click on the screen and select our logo which we want to display on the screen on the ALV report. It says ZK ALV logo. ID and description I kept same. Document is stored successfully. Now we have added the logo with the T code OAER. This T code I use. Fine. Now what I will do, go back to our program and here instead of this SAP logo, comment this to comment, just control and less than sign. To uncomment, control and greater than sign. Now here I will give the ID of the logo which I have uploaded now, the T code OAER. Now if I execute this report, see, this time I can see the new logo I just uploaded, the T code OAER. So most of the time, if you are working in some company, so they will ask us to upload their own company logo here. So we have to follow the same process, and you can also do this dynamic. Suppose if they ask you, like if they have multiple company code, and based on the company code, they want to display the logo. So add multiple logo with the T code OAER, and then here like pass the logo using the if else condition. Fine. So in this way, we done with session like adding our own company logo in the SAP ALV report. Thank you.